Now, never in a million years did I think I was going to be digging today. Honestly, I did not know. Okay, I've got it dug further. And let's just follow those wires around. See, those were the two wires right there. Now it goes over, and see, this root continues all the way over to here. And see, there's one of the wires right there. And there's another wire right there. And see this root came off down there, and it's growing right over the top in between the big root at the bottom and this top root, and it's smashing the electrical line. Another reason I should dig that out of there, right? I'm gonna take that out, and I'm gonna look at this. This one I had chopped off before, and I left the bottom root. See, there's a bottom root there. I'm taking that one out. And I'm going to end up taking this out to there with my Sawzall. There's the big root base of the tree. Because I'm going to end up cutting that. I got to take that out. I got to whack this off to loosen up these wires. And then I think I'm going to dig this over just a little bit more to see if I can gain a little bit more slop. It's slack, and I think I can. Once I cut this root out of there and chop that off, I have to be careful. Okay, and then I should have enough room. Then I've got to dig. I still got to dig deeper so that I got enough room to get my Sawzall down there. I don't like to use my Sawzall right down into the dirt, and it dulls it that much quicker. So I'll dig down further and make sure I got enough room. Make sure I don't chop off those wires and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so I gotta dig a little bit more in there, and then this basin out deeper. But I wanted to show you my progress and why I felt I needed to do this. Okay, and you remember those bottom wires down there have nothing to do with the lighting. But see, can you see that once I get that big root out, I could chop it off there, I could loosen that, and then I could chop it off over there, chop this piece off, chop that piece off. Then I have enough room right in here to dig more to see where these wires go, because these two are for the lighting, those two down there are for the sprinkler valves that go to the time clock for the sprinkler valves, and these goes to the time clock for the lighting. And so there's 4 wires there. So my thought is that it might just go into a 2-inch or 3-inch ABS sleeve that goes from there over to there. We'll soon find out. But enough of that. I gotta keep digging.